Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we completed the Itineraries tab and built the day-by-day program of the trip. In this video, we'll move to the Restaurants tab, where we manage all restaurant and meal services related to the reservation file. After selecting the reservation file, click on the Restaurants tab. The Restaurants tab is used to record and manage all restaurant bookings and meal services. Each record represents one meal service scheduled on a specific date and time and handled independently from other services. Let's start with a simple and common scenario. The group will have lunch in Amman on the second day of the trip. Click the green plus button to add a new restaurant record. Select the restaurant, for example, Amman Restaurant. You'll notice the system automatically pulls existing restaurant and hotel accounts, so you can select them directly. Now select the meal, lunch. Set the date, January 29th, 2026. Set the status, requested. Set the time, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Make sure the adults and children numbers are the right ones. Add notes if needed. For example, Mr. Max is allergic to nuts. Then click Save. Now let's add the second restaurant booking. This time, the group will have lunch in Petra on the following day. Select the restaurant, Petra Restaurant. Select the meal, lunch. Set the date, January 30th, 2026. Set the time, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can copy the same notes if they apply to the group. Then click Save. For the last day, there is no lunch scheduled, so no restaurant record is needed. Now let's quickly review the options on the right-hand side of each restaurant record. Show controls whether the restaurant service appears in documents, like vouchers and cover pages. If unchecked, it remains internal only. Lock prevents any further edits or deletion unless unlocked by an authorized user. Post determines whether the restaurant cost is sent to the accounting module or kept operational only. Duplicate creates a copy of the restaurant record, useful when the same details apply to another date. Now, what if you need to add more details to the restaurant reservation? You can do it by opening the full restaurant record. To do so, click on the folder icon on the right-hand side of the restaurant record. A detailed dialog box will open. This dialog is divided into two sections. The upper section is for operational and reservation-related details. The lower section is for accounting details, which we'll cover in later videos. Inside the operational and reservation section, you can add more information, such as the detailed meal type, for example, grilled beef, the confirmation number, pickup and drop-off locations, special negotiated rates, or any additional internal notes for your team. You'll also notice that the system shows the itinerary description for that day, so everything stays aligned. From the same dialog box, you can preview the restaurant voucher. Click Preview, and the system will generate the voucher with all booking details included. After making any changes, always click Save to ensure the updates are stored. This completes the Restaurants tab inside the Incoming Reservation File. In the next video, we'll continue with the remaining service tabs and complete the operational setup. Thanks for watching, and let's continue.